Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning Porsche 718 Boxster. Now this model is finished in the Porsche White with a biscuit interior and also has the extended interior package dashboard trim. Now this fantastic example of a vehicle comes to us with full Porsche service history and also a grand total of £4,988 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now the service history on this vehicle covered at Porsche in Swindon at just under 16,000 miles. Was carried out in May 2021. And with regards to the specification on this vehicle, we have items such as the Porsche PDK gearbox, which was a £2,000 factory option. We have the 19-inch Boxster S alloy wheels at a £1,263 factory option. We also have park assist front and rear, which is audible and visual. It comes upon the display in the centre, providing all parking assistance. That was a £623 factory option. We also have a heated multifunction steering wheel at £329. Of course, being a convertible, it would be rude not to have heated seats on the vehicle, which is £294. Electric folding exterior door mirrors at £210. The Power Steering Plus at £185. And last but not least, for those slightly longer journeys, we have a 64 litre fuel tank, which was an £84 factory option. Now, of course, that selection of equipment plus the standard levels of equipment on the Boxster, adding them together makes for an incredible piece of stock, just as we're getting into the great weather. So let's have a little look at the interior of this vehicle, because I can assure you the quality and the condition is reflected throughout. So here we have the biscuit interior. Now, as we can see, it's not only on the seats, but we also have that down the centre console, the lower part of the dashboard, and the door cards, still keeping a black leather with a contrast stitching we can see there on the practical areas, such as the steering wheel, the top of the dashboard, and of course, the black carpets with Porsche mats. Everything that we see inside here is absolutely stunning with regards to its condition and finish. And here we have that multifunction heated steering wheel, combining that with the heated seats. It's going to make for a very pleasant environment inside this car with the top down. And all operation and control functions in the centre there, but we do of course have a touchscreen in the middle with the navigation, full multimedia, Bluetooth functions, and of course the park assist visuals. So looking absolutely stunning front and centre in our showroom. This vehicle is ready for viewing and an immediate delivery. And of course, we would love to have a talk with you about your purchase options with regards to funding. We can certainly help with our in-house funding partners, and also discuss options for extended warranty. And should you choose to keep the vehicle in this absolutely stunning condition, we also have Auto Glim's Life Shine exterior and interior vehicle treatment available. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you find it informative. If there's anything that we've missed, please do let us know, and we'll happily provide you with another video, all those details over the phone. So thank you once again, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.